This second video today is how the Euro pass holder, or they call them Rail Plus card in Europe, how do we make the reservation with this website, Denmark website called dsb.dk. Alright, again, it's a Denmark train website. It's Delta Sierra Beta dot Delta Kilo. Okay, and if you go to their website, they first bring you to the Denmark language. It's very tricky. Scroll to the very bottom, it will say here, you will see something really small. It said in English. You click there and then they will come out to another page. Now you need to click here, train ticket to Europe, not the picture. Okay, don't get that bad habit. Click here, train ticket to Europe. It's very small in here. Click here and then they will bring you to another page. Click buy your international seat reservation in here, and then when you click that, they will come out with the timetable that you need to fill up. Okay, so this is again a Denmark train website. So this is only from Denmark to outside Denmark, but not to the Scandinavian. Okay, so for that I will show you another website to do. So this one is from Denmark. Let's say here I wrote down Hamburg, which is a city in Germany. Or you can I tried earlier Copenhagen. Here they understand them as Copenhagen, their original language. Okay, and I tried earlier with Berlin, with Vienna, Munich, even Brussels in Belgium, and Amsterdam. They allow me to do that. But if it's too far, like for example, I try to write down from Copenhagen to London, they won't allow me to, maybe because it's too far. So you need to look into the timetable and chop them up, from one place to another place, so if it's too far. So I wrote down anytime, and remember, if you try to do this too early, they will not allow you to book anything. So try to do it, I think, about 3 months before departure. And here I will click, show train here, a little bit on the bottom on my finger here, and they will come out with the how much is the reservation only. I think it's about depend. If it's really close to, I have seen 30 kroners, which is about $4, $5 US dollars. And if it's like, for example, this one, Copenhagen to Hamburg, first class is only 60 kroner, or some even 30 kroners if you pick the one that is not fast train. Okay, 60 kroner, it's about $9, and you just pick them up and then continue. Everything, it's English and it's easy to pick. Okay, which one you want, second class, first class, and how much you want. But honestly, if it's from Copenhagen to Germany area, I would rather to use bahn.de, bahn.de, because it's cheaper. Yeah, a little bit cheaper, not much cheaper. And this website is very easy to follow. I know I'm quite fast to save you guys from being bored. So you guys play this video over and over again, and watch my video over and over again. You will get it. Okay, it's easier than reading from some direction on Google. And again, I don't know why they don't allow me to book a reservation from Copenhagen, let's say, to Warsaw in Poland, or to Krakow in Poland, or to certain places that is too far, maybe because it's too far, so you need to chop them up. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully it helps you, and happy traveling from Sis Practical. Bye.